here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Let's go.
Vending machine.
Yeah, very machine, yeah. Do you want to see?
Oh my gosh.
Bunch of
Coca-Cola
drinks.
Fanta.
Okay.
Coca-Cola Sprite. Your favorite drink.
Yes, not my favorite drink, but I like Sprite.
Okay, we're gonna do the room tour now.
Where are you? At home?
No, we're at Hilton.
By the hotel, right?
The hotel in Connecticut.
In Stamford, Connecticut. And what's the name of the hotel?
Hilton.
Okay, it's Hampton's Inn by Hilton. Okay, let's go to the bedroom first. Okay, it's a large bedroom, king size bed, and some lights. You can charge the phone directly. Okay, we've got a chair, some table, 2 tables, large size tables on the sides, another chair, microwave. What else do we have? Show me. We have a microwave down there. What is that? The fridge. Good, okay.
You want
Show me the size. No, the other side, I think. Okay, that's the size. Okay, pretty big. Wonderful. Okay, what else? What's that on the other side? Okay.
Looks like a dishwasher.
No, it's not a dishwasher. I guess you can put some fruit there or something. Some snacks. Okay. Got a TV.
Oh yeah.
What brand?
LG.
LG
I will
TV,
show
okay.
you the brand.
Yeah, it works. Okay, what else we got? Let's see. We got a bathroom. Pretty large. We stayed in Manhattan. It was super tiny. It was very narrow. And this one is, oh my gosh, such a big difference. Okay, here we have, I think, the ironing board. Let's see. Yeah, some hangers.
This is the closet.
Ironing board and iron. Yeah, iron. Okay, yeah, you can actually put your suitcases there. We didn't just left it there. The table. It's easier to open. Okay, what else? What do we have here? Oh my God, huge mirror.
Huge mirror
Mhm.
and the lights.
The
and,
lights.
And look, a very little, teeny, tiny.
Oh, like a
light.
night light or something. Yeah.
But also, when I turn off this light, look.
Okay, turn it off.
Huh?
It's not dark enough.
I need to turn off this one. Alright,
Oh
look.
look, so at night you know where to go. Okay, let's turn the lights back on.
Let's see what happens if I turn the lights back on. Everything
So,
turns out.
okay, so that's the sink. Have some space. Okay, they didn't clean this morning. Supposedly they come and clean up every other day. They've been clean every day though. But the day we decided to record the room tour, they didn't come. That's okay. Here's the bathroom, the toilet, and the shower. Towels. It's 3 of us, but somehow they just gave us 2 towels. It's okay. Here's the brand of the shampoo and conditioner. Then they give you like bar soap. Yeah. Okay. So what do you think? What do you think of this hotel? You like it? Oh yeah, the breakfast is included.
In breakfast
It's
and
downstairs.
dinner
They also have no dinner lunch. No dinner lunch. They have a pretty good Italian restaurant downstairs. I think it's called Via Italia, and we ate there the first day we arrived. So yeah, that's Italian cuisine.
There's some construction going
Yeah, there's
on.
construction. That's the view. Not much of a view. We're on a 3rd floor. That's the view. I don't know what's going
You
on.
already seen the
There's
the
some
floor.
church, I think.
Yeah.
Not much. I don't know. Some buildings. Yeah, and then they also have like some coffee, some hot water downstairs. So sometimes we go and grab some Yeah, they don't give you any water. What else do they have? Do you remember? They have parking lot. I think parking is free. And I'm not sure if they have a gym. I don't think they have a pool. I didn't see it, any signs anywhere. I didn't see the signs for the gym either. But I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, I don't have any complaints. Especially after Manhattan. This one feels so huge. Like, especially here in the hallways, a lot of space. I mean, that's normal, I guess. It's kind of no space here in the bathroom. The other bathroom was very tiny. So yeah, it's a big change.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So that's in Connecticut, Stamford, Connecticut. You can actually walk from the station, but we paid like $4 for Uber. It's pretty close. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
And bye-bye.